This e-learning course will empower you to master routine maintenance strategies. You'll explore different maintenance methodologies, learn to manage workflows effectively, and understand how to coordinate between teams and contractors. The course will guide you through data-driven decision-making and ensure you can implement safe maintenance practices. Routine maintenance is crucial for refinery operations. This course will help you discover how preventive, predictive, and corrective maintenance work together. The knowledge gained will help you drive workflow efficiency, and you'll learn to use data and KPIs to make better maintenance decisions. Your expertise in maintenance fundamentals will directly impact operational success. Without proper maintenance knowledge, the consequences are severe. Equipment fails unexpectedly, shutdowns occur at critical times, resources get wasted, and contractor costs spiral out of control. Most concerning are the safety incidents that happen when maintenance knowledge gaps exist. These aren't lessons anyone should learn through failure. Maintenance practices directly impact the bottom line. Efficient workflows reduce maintenance costs by 15 to 25%, and proper contract administration saves 10 to 20% in contractor costs. Data-driven approaches improve resource allocation by 30%, and well-maintained equipment uses 10 to 15% less energy, while lasting 20 to 30% longer. Your maintenance decisions have a direct impact on business success. Safety must be your top priority. Proper maintenance prevents 60% of safety incidents. Structured workflows enable you to identify hazards before they become problems. The right procedures prevent workplace accidents, and maintaining good documentation keeps operations compliant with regulations. Your expertise in recognizing and addressing risks will protect your team and facility. This e-learning course discusses the topics shown here.